Exploring the logical database and its objects in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, like many cloud applications, is built on a cloud-based database. Unlike traditional systems, this database is not physically accessible but instead stores all data, such as customers, vendors, and products, and every object used within the application. This setup allows developers to easily modify and extend the system without needing to overhaul the entire application. For example, if you need to rearrange input fields on a page, you can create a page extension to adjust the structure, eliminating the need for a complete product rebuild. In Business Central, every solution is constructed using various objects. Tables store data, pages display and interact with data, reports present data in specific layouts, and code units contain reusable programming code. Other objects, like queries and XML ports, facilitate efficient data querying and importing exporting. If you are familiar with Dynamics Nav, you will recognize these objects as they have been carried over into Business Central. Additionally, Business Central introduces 5 new extension objects: table extension, page extension, report extension, permission set extension, and enum extension. Here's a quick overview of the key object types. Table describes how data is stored and retrieved. Page allows users to view, add, modify, or delete records. Report prints, processes, or previews data. Code unit, a container for programming code, reusable across different objects. Query enables direct and efficient data querying. XML port facilitates data import and export in XML or text formats. Since Business Central is rich with built-in functionality, you can't modify the source code directly. However, you can extend the existing objects to adapt their behavior to your needs. Table extension: add fields or change properties on existing tables. Page extension: extend or override the functionality of existing pages. Report extension: expand existing report objects. Permission set extension: add permissions to existing permission sets. Enum extension: add values to enumeration lists given the extensible property is enabled. We'll delve deeper into tables, pages, table extensions, and page extensions in subsequent lessons, while other objects will be covered in more advanced courses. The logical database structure. In Business Central, you can create multiple companies within the same database. Each company's data is stored as records in different tables, and each record is composed of multiple fields. While data is typically company specific, objects are not. They are shared across all companies within the same database. Managing objects and numbering conventions. Before creating custom objects, it's crucial to understand the object numbering conventions. Each object in Business Central is identified by a unique number, which plays a key role in organizing version management, localization, and customization to ensure smooth upgrades. Here's a breakdown of the object ranges: 1 to 9999, reserved for Microsoft objects used globally, 10,000 to 49,999. Localized objects for specific countries or regions also created by Microsoft. In terms of licensing, the following ranges are available for customization: 50,000 to 99,999 for per tenant customizations tailored by partners to individual tenant needs. Extensions developed in this range can be deployed to specific tenants. 1 million to 60 million reserved for ISV solutions, where partners develop extensions for Business Central available as apps on AppSource. 70 million to 74 million 999,999 also reserved for partner developed extensions available on AppSource. Understanding these conventions is essential before you begin creating new objects for your solutions. Additionally, I highly recommend exploring best practices, rules, and guidelines for AL programming, including Business Central design patterns. This knowledge will significantly enhance your development skills and help you create more efficient and maintainable solutions.